In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Hotmail account. This is a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure you can complete it in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Outlook website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Outlook Login in the search bar, or simply go to the URL for Microsoft's Outlook webpage if you have it handy. Once the page loads, you should see the option to sign in if you already have an account, but since we're creating a new one, we're going to move on to the Create Account section. Look for the link or button that says Create Account and click on it. This will take you to the registration page where we'll start the process of creating your new Hotmail account. At this point, you'll need to decide on your email address. Remember, this will be the address you'll use to access Outlook and all associated services, so choose something memorable or professional, depending on your needs. If your first choice isn't available, try modifying it slightly, or consider different combinations until you find one that's unique. After deciding on your email address, you'll need to create a password. Your password should be strong and secure. It's advisable to mix letters, both uppercase and lowercase numbers, and special characters to ensure your account is well protected. Avoid using easily guessed passwords like password123 or personal information. Once you've entered your password twice, move on to the next step. The next screen will ask for some personal information such as your first and last names. Enter these details accurately as they can be helpful in recovery situations or when sharing your contact information with others. Following this, you'll be asked for your region and birth date. These details help to improve your account's personalization and security. Now, you might need to prove you're not a robot, which is a standard procedure for creating an online account. Usually this means completing a simple puzzle or entering some characters displayed in an image. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy. Once you've completed the verification step, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your new Hotmail account has been successfully created. You can now use this account to send and receive emails, manage your calendar, and more. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your new Hotmail account. If you encounter any issues, double check each entry and ensure that the information is accurate and complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find your new Hotmail account useful for all your emailing needs.